What's going on, everybody? If you're new here, I'm Chef Morgan James, and today we're doing another unboxing video. I'm excited for this one here. Got the Gozney Tread here, the latest and greatest in portable pizza ovens. So let's get into this, see what we got. Sheesh. Gotta get excited. Rip this joint off. Come down here. No, we had to get the Halo Master Chief Green Edition. Alright. It's aggressive, but oh. Hello. Nice to meet you too, Tread. So we gonna so, man, that's how excited we are. We want to see this guy here. See what we got in here. Aha! We got what we got here. We have our flame guard here. I know that much. We also have our propane hose here as well. Very necessary. So cool about this Gozney is that it has this venture stand with it. And the venture stand, it's like a 4-leg tripod situation. But I guess it would be a quad pod? Alright. Let's open this up. Boom. Alright. Keep the stand instructions this time. I believe this is a part of the base. Hold on to that. Oh, nice heavy duty, big Gozney embroidery there. A lot of foam, so these things definitely come protected. There's pieces in there, but the good thing about this is the legs extend for it to be used tabletop or for you to use it anywhere on rugged surfaces. So it's pretty cool. You can see that. I'm not going to try and put that up there just yet, but along with that, got the pizza rocker. You know, when we get those pizzas going, need to be able to chop those up. Get my scissors. Oh, yeah. All right, got that open. Again, one thing, Gozney does a very good job of branding their products where it's like very clean but noticeable. And this guy's actually sold out. So I had to go do some digging for this guy. But glad I picked this up. Put this back in this sheath. It looks pretty sharp. Don't need any accidents. Got the balance turning peel here. This guy here for like maneuvering smaller pans, whether you're using cast irons or anything like that, or even like doing quick turns on your pizzas. Nice, heavy duty, heavy enough where it's like it's lightweight, where it's maneuverable, but no bolts or anything like that on there. So it's very, very sturdy, it looks like. And then course, wanted to try out the Neapolitan pizza dough, so stay tuned. See how we set this guy up. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'm Chef Morgan James signing out.